Thinking of owning a home? Beyond the mortgage, there may be some costs that you have not considered. First up, property tax. They can vary dramatically from location to location. They are strictly based on the value of the property and the tax rate in that city. Then there's homeowners insurance. It is essential for protection, but the rates can vary dramatically based on your location, the age of your house, and many other factors. Utility bills may be a surprise. If you are moving from an apartment to a home, most of your utility bills can surprise you of how much bigger they can get, whether it's gas or electric or even water. Routine maintenance is a must, whether it is fixing a leaky roof or just providing maintenance to your heater. These costs will add up. Landscaping is another. Whether you hire somebody to do it or you do it yourself, this is not going to be for free. Lastly, the homeowners association fees. If your property is part of an HOA, whether you are paying on monthly or annual basis, these fees do add up because they cover the different amenities that you share with the other residents. And those fees can and potentially will increase year over year. While these costs and others may be daunting, but being prepared for the unknown will help you do a better job budgeting. Owning a home is such a rewarding experience. Just be informed of all the various costs so there are no surprises. Still need more insights or you have more questions? Reach out and I will help as much as I can.